Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen of all ages, this morning we're doing a little painting with Valspar Simplicity. This is just white base. Semi-brilliant, brilliante. This wall is, I don't know if I can find it, as you can see, this isn't that big a room. I've done, put 1 gallon on it. And as you can see, here's a good, this side is 1 coat, this side's 2 coats. As you can see, they proclaim this being a 1 coat coverage. Now part of the problem is probably maybe I used a 1/4 inch nap because as you can see, there's hardly any texture. And I probably should have stayed with a 3/8 snap, but anyway. Valspar Simplicity Semi-Gloss Interior Paint Primer in 1. So, it says 0 VOC. It does have a smell to it, as most do. But, well, it's volatile or not. Who knows? I don't. I was trying to find some of that red. It was a bright red. And I was, let's see if it's impressed that it, no, that's just old crappy white in there. I was impressed that it was, oh, there's some down there. You can see that's the red it was. And I was impressed that the first coat did cover pretty decent compared to other low-cost paint I've used in the past, but as you can also see, second coat, we still needed a little bit more. So, not that crazy. I think this was around $25 or so. Goes on pretty good, at least with a 1/4 inch it does. I'm sure with a 3/8 now it would do even better. But, and that may have been the problem on the coverage. We'll see. So anyway, what do I think about it? Would I buy it? Landlord bought this. No, I wouldn't buy it. I'll take this over a lot of other paints, but I'm not that sold on the paint and primer in 1 anyway. So I'm gonna get off here and get this done. As you can see, this 2 coats and it's still kind of splotchy. Now again, that may be because I used a 1/4 inch nap. I cut in up here and you can see, I don't know if you can see on camera, the distinct lines where I went horizontal. Never had that problem with a lot of other paints, but then again, this was almost like a, I don't know, barn or blood red or something. So it's hard to cover to begin with. So there's my lovely assistant peeking in, who's going to do the baseboards again when I get out of here. So anyway, now if you're covering a light color like beige or something, this would probably be all right. But I don't know. You know, these bright colors are hard to cover anyway. So maybe if I'd tried, now the landlord also wanted the baseboards painted and they were already white and it did great for that. So maybe for light colors, white baseboards or something, this would be all right. But, and maybe if it was tinted, but this landlord doesn't use, I mean, this is the base white he uses. So, hey. He's paying for it, I'm not. So he's paying me to put it on there. So anyway, Valspar Simplicity, covering bright colors. I'd probably spend the money for a Sherwin-Williams or a Benjamin Moore paint if I want a good complete coverage. Not crazy about this paint, at least using a 1/4 inch nap. Could do, I'm fixing to use 3/8 and we'll see. This wall got pretty decent coverage. There's a couple light areas down there, but anyway, So anyway, Donald, DIY, blue collar, that's right. Going to get off here and get this painting done. So thank y'all for watching this. Just something to keep in mind if you got purple, bright yellow, red, what's that other color, pink. If you got something like that to cover up, spend the money for good paint. So anyway, Donald out. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that little bell thing down there so you'll get a notification every time I post. So anyway, we're out of here. This is it for the Valspar Simplicity review. Donald out.